Emmanuel Chike Ofili, you are about to be a witness to the fulfillment of the intention of the sovereign spirit, as can be seen in the book of Genesis 2:28. Then Yahweh said, "It is not good for man to be alone. I will make a helper who is just right for him." Marriage is a union of good intentions. May our good thoughts towards the couple be seen in our lives in Yeshua's name. The wedding will be performed following the Jewish traditions. There are 3 stages that we shall take in the solemnization of this holy matrimony. My name is Nwem Amakeze. I am the officiating minister for this ceremony. I will take you through the events and its significance as we proceed. I put on you that beautiful garment that reminds you of the laws of God. May it be upon you, and may it extend and reach towards your family in the mighty name of Yeshua.
Amen.
Behold, you are betrothed to me.
You are betrothed to me.
With this ring.
With this ring.
According to the laws of Moses.
According to the laws of Moses.
And of Israel.
And of Israel.
We will be moving. We will put it in the mighty name of Yeshua.
Amen.
A round of applause, everyone. Now, you will take your own. You will hold his hands. You know the finger that you're going to end up. Then you say, "Behold,
behold,
you are betrothed to me with this ring, according to the laws of Moses and Israel."
According to the laws of Moses and Israel.
Okay, let's see whether you know where to put it. 1, 2, 3, 4. A round of applause, everyone. It comes from the great heart, and may you always live in his radiance. Blessed is the one who created human beings. Bless the two of you. May you know it all. Joy and struggle, beauty and sorrow, sweat, tears, solitude, companionship, laughter and ecstasies. May your marriage be strong enough to support you to experience whatever you must as you come to know yourselves and each other, and to discover the entire range of your humanity so they can preserve it. And I'm going to choose the number of perfection, which is 7, and I'll start counting down. When I get to 1, Chike is going to smash this glass. Please, everybody, 1. Please let everybody be attentive. So I begin my count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chike is opening the veil of the wife. There shall be no demarcation, and I can now say authoritatively, you may kiss the bride.
Instructions, boys.